This is a boat that was a recent acquisition. And had a new motor put in it, and then it filled up with water. U-joints seem to be free. So that looks all like you'd expect. Filled up with water, and when it did that, water came from inside the boat and filled up his U-joint bellows, and you can see the water inside of there. That's what we expect. And the gimbal bearing is completely rusted, and that's what we expected. Plus, whoever put it in backwards. Inner shift cable looks to be new, so that's probably good. So where we're going with this project, and the bellows seem to check out fine. So we're just going to go ahead and clean out the inside of that, put a new gimbal bearing in it, put it back on, and that should be the end of this this part of the project.